Hey guys, it's Mr. Smith. I just wanted to take the time to go over the first, maybe the second problem with you here on this worksheet you're going to be doing. So if you take a look, take your worksheet out. It says Mrs. Lovejoy makes flower arrangements. She has 36 red carnations and 60 white carnations and 72 pink carnations. Each arrangement must have the same number of each color. What is the maximum number of arrangements she can make if she uses every carnation? So right away, I'm thinking, okay, they're talking about taking flowers, we're splitting them up evenly, we're dividing them up. I see the word maximum. This has got to be a greatest common factor problem. So if you're thinking that to yourself, you're absolutely right. So I'm going to do this problem on the board. So we got 36, 60, and 72. Okay? So up here on the board, right, I got 36, 60, and 72. All right, so if you take a look, I'm going to do this the best way I can do it for you here. We've got 36, 60, and 72. I can use the ladder method to help me find the greatest common factor here. All right, I can do the ladder method of 3, and you may have to do this on another problem that you're going to run into, or maybe even 2 on the worksheet. So make sure you're getting this down. So this is, again, you're going to do this on the back of your worksheet. You have space for this next to question number 1. So I look at 36, 60, and 72, and I'm thinking 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. I could actually divide 36, 60, and 72 by 2 and 3. So I think I'm going to choose, let's see, I'll do 2. Probably most people would choose 2. Okay, so I'm going to pull a 2 out. My next one I'm going to do 36 divided by 2 is 18. 60 divided by 2 is 30. And 72 divided by 2 is 36. All right? They're all even numbers, so I'm going to divide by, this time I actually think I'll divide by 3. I could do 2 if I wanted. I'm going to do 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. 30 divided by 3 is 10. And 36 divided by 3 is 12. Hopefully you're noticing we're not done yet, right? I still have all even numbers, so now I'm going to choose 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. I'm now down to where the only number I could divide by would be 1, so I'm going to look right over here. And I'm going to take 2 times 3 times 2, which would give me 12. So in this problem, my greatest common factor of 36, 60, and 72 is 12. So if we look back here on the actual problem, all right, what did we just do? Well, we found the maximum, the greatest common factor, 36, 60, and 72, and it would be 12. So how many arrangements can she make? 12. All right, now I want to show you one more step. This problem doesn't ask it, but there might be one further down that does. All right, so what if we have 36 reds? Okay, these are our reds. We have 60 white and 72 pink. Let me put this back on the big screen here for us. Okay, so if you look up here, I got my reds were 36, my whites were 60, and my pinks were 72. Okay, so what if they now said, how many red flowers would be in each arrangement? Well, I now know that I'm making 12 arrangements. That's what the greatest common factor was. That's what that told us. So I'm making 12 arrangements. So if I want to know how many red would be in each one, I'd take 36 divided by 12, right? 36 flowers divided by 12 arrangements, and that would tell me there would be 3 red. I'd take the 60 white and divide it by 12, and that would be 5 white in every arrangement. And I'd take the 72 and divide it by 12, and that would give me 6. Okay? So once I get how many arrangements, I can divide the red, the white, and the pink by the number of arrangements, and that would tell me how many would be in each one. Okay? So hopefully this helped a little bit. So on the worksheet, you're going to have a couple of least common multiples. You're going to have a couple of them might be greatest common factors. But I wanted to go over this first one so that you could see exactly how it's done, especially when there's 3 numbers involved. We can still do that ladder method with 3 numbers. There's no reason we can't. And I'll just show again, there's our work for that, so you can see it. So remember, you got 6 problems. Actually, there's 7. Yours has a 7th problem, and that one's going to be a bonus problem for you for a Hershey Kiss. But otherwise, you have 6 problems, and then on the back, you got the space to show the work for the 6 problems, okay? So go get them. Good luck, and see you on the next face-to-face day.